Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's January the 12th, 2023. We're going to talk about ADA today and explain why the market went up. Like, I did a video in ADA all the way back on the 8th of January, 2023. I was like, look, the market in ADA is trying to go up. We already established the reason why. Well, first of all, it was already trending on this ascending line just a couple of weeks ago, right there on the 30th of December. The market in ADA was trending higher. Secondly, we saw that the strength was coming in on the charts, right? You guys can see these daily bars right here that the market strength was definitely indicating that the market was trying to move. That is why we predicted that the market in ADA was going to go up. That's the reason why, is because there was more demand coming in than there were sellers. Boom. That's it. You guys can see that we got that 10.41% out the market. And this particular price prediction, it did not even take long. You guys can see it. It took less than a couple of days, 2 days, a day maybe, to get 10.5% out the market. Now that's how you're supposed to play this game. That's how we would like every situation to play out. But then there's times to where the market is dragging itself. It's not really moving. And you're just stuck in a prediction for a while. Prediction. So let me go ahead and get rid of this. Pretty good call. Excellent job to those who also saw the same thing. The next thing that we need to talk about in ADA is, let's get rid of this trend line here. Or should we hold it? What do you think we should do? Should we continue to view the market off of this trend line, or should we view the market off this trend line, or should we view it off of this one? Which one do you think is more important? Let me zoom out. Yeah, I think the long-term trend line is more important because it's been established the longest. So we're going to go ahead and focus on the longer term trend. In ADA, you guys can see that we are now trading back up above it. And another good indication that tells us that the market is not weak right now is where price currently is trading in relation to where it was once acting as support, right there around 30 cents. Okay, so it still tells me that a lot of people in ADA still think that the market's going to go higher. Take a look at this. On this particular day right here, January the 9th, you guys can see how much volume came through. And we also saw price close off of the highs. That tells me that there was a whole lot of selling going on in the market on January the 9th. When you see that much volume, when you see where price closed on the day, you expect price to go back down the next day. Well, it really didn't go anywhere. And then you can see that price in ADA closed up there at the high of the bar. Take a look at the following day. There's still sellers there. Both of these days there's been selling. January the 10th, January the 11th, but the market on both days closed up there at the high of the bar. That tells me that the demand is definitely still in place for ADA. So yes, this area right here is the consolidation of trading range for ADA. Now the next obstacle that the buyers will have to do is break price above 33 cents. You guys can see right there on December the 5th, taking it to today, the market is showing that there's still some selling going on. So that is the hurdle, that is the obstacle, that is the problem that buyers are currently facing. So if the market in ADA doesn't go higher, we already know why it won't go higher. It's because there's sellers positioned right there around 33 cents. It's just that simple. It's not hard, is it? It's not complicated. So even if we were to see ADA consolidate and trade within a traded channel, this is it right here. This would be that trading channel that we will look for ADA to trade. So if the market doesn't continue to trend higher, and then expect the market to consolidate within these two lines right there. That's what I'm telling you. Okay. So let's go look at this on the 2-day chart. Okay, you guys can see in the next 12 hours, we're currently getting a probable precursor of strength, which simply means that we need to, on the next following 2 days, the buyers or the price of the price bar will have to close higher than this current one. Okay, that's what that means. Look at this on the 3-day chart. Here, again, 12 hours left, but the market currently is telling us on the 3-day time that the market currently is looking more bullish there. Here it is on the 5-day. We're just beginning that 5-day price bar, so I'm not necessarily worried about the 5-day time frame, even on the weekly right now. So right now, what would I say? Well, seeing how price is getting rejected right now, 33 cents, we need to be prepared for price to come down. Okay, we're definitely seeing weakness right there on the 3 hour. Here it is on the 1 hour chart. Take a look at this on the 9 hour. Okay, this 9 hour price bar right here tells me that there's still buyers right there. Already should be able to tell that the market is still trying to push price up. It's just going to reject that 33 cents. So the thing is, I'm looking for price to go down initially, like right now, over the next couple of hours, maybe the next day or so. be prepared for price in ADA to trend lower. That's all. Just be prepared for it to trend lower initially, but I'm going to play some strength in this currency still, and that's all going to be stemmed on us holding price right here. Okay, I want us to hold price no lower than 30 cents in order for us to maintain the ability to see ADA go higher. I'll say on a daily to a weekly time frame. Okay, so that is it right here. Now the first price target is going to be right there where I told you that sellers are already positioned, around 32 cents. Okay, that's my first price target in ADA there. My second one is going to be around 34.5, 35 cents. You guys can see that is 7.41%. And I really don't think the market is extremely strong though. So I'm just going to drop those two price targets right there in ADA. Just those two. I really want us to maintain the buyers, because the buyers are definitely telling me that they're there. I want them to continue to hold that though, for me to extend my third price target. Okay, because my third price target in ADA would be right there around 37 cents, like 37.5 cents. But it's going to take a lot of price actions for us to really see that market run that high. So I'm just going to keep it there right now momentarily. All right, so that's it. I am done. It's your turn to go ahead and drop in your price prediction in the comment section of this video. Let me know where you think the market is headed. This is one of the most powerful things that you can do when you're in the cryptocurrency space. You want to join me? You do that by liking the video, sharing the video, and also subscribing to the channel. Now, again, if I was in your shoes, this is why I'm creating the content that I'm doing. It's because I want to show you, I want to give you some valuable content to develop and shape you into how you should be viewing the market in the cryptocurrency space without the confusion. I'm not one of these hype channels because I take this very serious. This is a game that is very, very doable, that you should also maneuver without making it hard nor difficult. And if you find somebody that makes this so difficult and hard, you might want to find someone else. And that's why this channel has been established. It's to have a safe haven, a place of ease and understanding about how the market really works. Join me. Tap that bell notification as well. Make sure you maintain the profitability and trade different.